A day after the UGC gave a deadline to the Delhi University to roll back its FYUP, or that's the four-year undergraduate program, Delhi University seems to have finally blinked. The 10-member committee formed by the UGC is currently meeting to discuss the impasse between the Grants Commission and the university over the FYUP.
In fact, the reason why this has become such a huge story and is the top headline through the day and has made headlines for the last several days is because it basically concerns the fate of thousands of students who are applying to Delhi University this year, and many of them are uncertain about what their admission process is going to be. Many are uncertain about whether they will be now entering a 3-year program, and many of them are concerned about whether this is going to be a 4-year undergraduate program. So essentially, a lot of criticism coming for the Delhi University and the UGC for being, for being caught in a deadlock, which basically throws students who are completely clueless and completely left in the lurch.
Sonal Mehrotra is following this story. She now joins us. Sonal, the deadline given to DU passed long ago. Everybody's closeted in meetings to try and find a way out of this impasse. What's the update? Has there been any solution found?
Sarah, I can bring you just in right now that the admission process has been in fact deferred both by the UGC, what we're hearing here, and also what the principals meeting has decided. Now, what I'm hearing at this point is that the UGC meeting, the standing committee meeting which is taking place at the UGC office, that's gotten over. They're telling us that they haven't heard from the Delhi University Vice Chancellor just yet. And now they've asked for the ministry to intervene in case the Vice Chancellor still does not, give in. Also, simultaneously, while we were here, we understand in one of the colleges in Delhi University, all the principals were meeting to decide on what the fate will be, and there they have decided that the admission process will be deferred until there is a clarity on what's happening. Now, why this is taking place? This because the UGC had now, taken on things on their hand. They had called off the standing committee meeting with the principals, representatives from the Delhi University Students' Union, also from the Teachers Association, and they have concluded that there is no question of FYUP coming into place this year onwards, and if the Vice Chancellor does not comply, they will ask the ministry to intervene. Also, they will do whatever is there in their capacity, that is freeze the funds. Now, they had also written a letter directly to the principals asking them to comply by this. So the principals who were present at the meeting actually said that, they cannot go ahead and comply by the orders of the UGC unless they hear from the Delhi University. That's what their, their understanding is. So clearly, the principals at this point making it clear that there is going to be, they have deferred the admission process. The cutout list was supposed to come out today and the admission process was supposed to come out by tomorrow. That is deferred, and we'll have to wait and watch on when that can really take place. Also, what was discussed in the standing committee meeting, and if we can play out that interview that we've done with both the DUTA president and also the DUSU president, is the fact that the transition from the FYUP program to the 3-year program, those formalities have also been discussed. They are making it very clear those students, the 60,000 students who are appearing at this point, except those who applied for BTech, will continue to serve, but will have to finish up their course within the 2 left years as well. And those who have applied, now it's really a tricky process because the students who applied from this year onwards actually filled up the forms for FYUP. There is no course at this point which talks of a BCom or a BSc. There is directly a honours course a degree which you get at the end of 4 years. So now the committee has come to an understanding, and they will be sending out these recommendations back to the Delhi University, in which they are saying that no fresh applications will be invited, but whatever application they've received so far, the colleges will be asked to come up with a cut-off list in the courses which actually come under the 3-year program, and based on that cut-off list, the students can go and apply on their own. Sarah?